Hello, seventh graders. I can't believe it's our third week already. Thank you for all your hard work and effort you've been putting in. You're probably starting to get used to the Google Classroom format, but let me just point out a couple things for this week. First, I want to point out that when you go to your Google Classroom, whether it's in a class or your main screen, I know that you're getting these boxes that have all your different tasks in them. And just be careful because not everything pops up in those. It depends how your teacher's creating their assignments. So I would recommend going into the actual Google Classroom for your teachers or your different classes and clicking on the classwork tab. So I'm doing that right now for our AVID class. And then just like usual, I have the instructions and agenda for you. So I called that task 0 this week. I would like you to go in and look through the slideshow because there's the directions for the different tasks. Your 7th grade agenda is here. And then the VMMS Reach a Teacher document is there just for you to reference because I know you've already seen that in advisory, hopefully. And then you'll need to mark this as done. The task number 1 is to do the Flipgrid check-in. Just like last week, you have an option. You can also do a written response, but it is so nice to get to see your faces and hear your voices, and I'm sure your classmates appreciate it too. So please try and be a risk taker. And then task 2 here, you're going to be doing research on a college like we did in the beginning of the year with UCSD. But this time you're going to get to pick the college, and I'm going to give you a tool to help you narrow down your choices. I also want to point out that for your research, you actually have 2 weeks to get this done. So definitely get it started this week. Don't wait. But you can pace it out so that you do some of it this week and some of it next week. Toward the end of the week, I'm going to want you to check Aries going into Student Portal and checking that the work that you've done for AVID Virtual School is there and that you've gotten credit for it, that it shows that you've turned it in. If you see any issues, you can, of course, email me. And then at the very end of the week, there is the reflection piece, a Google form, for you to just give me some feedback about how your week went. And for all these tasks, you're going to need to mark them done when you're finished. I hope you have a great third week, and let me know if you've got any questions. I'm here by email. Bye, guys.